Here's how to enable or disable VSync through the Nvidia Control Panel. Press the Windows key and search for Nvidia Control Panel. Open it. If you do not have it installed, you can download it directly from the Microsoft Store. On the left sidebar, click Manage 3D Settings. Scroll down through the Settings list and find Vertical Sync. Click the drop-down next to it and select On to enable it or Off to disable it. Click Apply. Understanding when to use VSync helps you make the right choice. VSync eliminates screen tearing by capping your frame rate to match your monitor's refresh rate, useful if you have a powerful GPU that exceeds your monitor's limit. The downside is added input lag and potential stuttering when your frame rate drops below the refresh rate. For competitive gaming where low input lag matters more than tearing, most players turn it off and use a high refresh rate monitor instead. Like the Nvidia app, these are global settings. Game-specific settings in the Program Settings tab let you apply different VSync configurations per game without affecting everything else on your system. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.